So I open my eyes to this life, I call it a test in disguise. Guys try to test I, you a G, I'm a soldier for the most high. That's why we got the same mentality, but a higher salary is what I be. Check it, don't bounce, I got the 12 gauge spitter, spitting viciously. Hit a beat from Betty P and hip hop's misery. Epitome of rappers, what they'll be calling me soon. I'm broadcasting on all radios, niggas stay tuned. I guess you can say I'm something like a 5%er, cause only 5% of niggas in this world will be winners. Open your eyes, buck boys, bigger than your block. We don't even need KKK, niggas busting shots. But when will it stop? It's not gon' stop. Them things go pop, pop. Niggas got AKs and Glocks, niggas. Anybody's race could really be that. So I still say, nigga, ignorance is not life these days. Getting paid, I'm changing my ways. Still watching my back, these niggas scheming with hate. Man, I swear these niggas feeding that hate. So I stay 10 steps in the lead and keep on feeding that way. What's life these days? Getting paid, I'm changing my ways. Still watching my back, these niggas scheming with hate. Man, I swear these niggas feeding that hate. So I stay 10 steps in the lead and keep on feeding that way. I came out my mama's womb with a lot of shit on my mind. They used to call me quiet. Nah, it's shit on my mind. I ain't got time for these bitches, ain't got time for these haters. It could be male or female, whichever you favor. I done came from nothing. Dad, what is that? But I still said, fuck it, nigga, keep them cards stacked. I done seen mom get beat down. She a soldier on her feet now. When my soldiers let the beast out, when I'm gonna let them feast out. I speak about real shit, you judging from my language. Just because you made it up, you call it proper English. Nah, you misunderstood the facts that we understood. Matter of fact, let me see you fight your way, succeed about the hood. Neighbors ain't no good, this paper ain't no good. How the fuck I'm supposed to roll up blunt chipping like wood? Is that what you wanna hear? Pump that, I got the know-how. And if you hating on this kick rocks, bitch, what's life these days? Getting paid, I'm changing my ways. Still watching my back, these niggas scheming with hate. Man, I swear these niggas feeding that hate. So I stay 10 steps in the lead and keep on feeding that way. What's life these days? Getting paid, I'm changing my ways. Still watching my back, these niggas scheming with hate. Man, I swear these niggas feeding that hate. So I stay 10 steps in the lead and keep on feeding that bait. If you quit before you win, then that means you're a loser. They say life's a bitch, well I'm never gonna lose her. The lyrical abuser, not a wife abuser. I burn tracks up like the death of Freddy Krueger. But this nightmare is real when they hold that cold still. These niggas is ill and they fiending to kill. Still ignoring the consequences that's waiting at the end. You know the part where you die, brains splattering, dreams shattering. Now your kid's a bastard, copy that same pattern. This is not flattering. Y'all don't hear me though, let's talk about this money and hoes. The difference between me and your rappers, for sale is not my soul. You can't top or fold me, something like a OG. You wanna walk inside my shoes, then you need 4 feet. Step back, give me more feet. JV League, Roll D, PG, DZ, Cali, what's so sweet.